So if someone gets early success and like he got wings or he or she got wings and started flying, oh, he can be shot. Or when you don't get fame so quickly, then you learn to tackle things and are a better decision making in a way.
I mean, you want to be wrong, 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 then right. You don't want to be right, right, then wrong. Then you will lose everything.
So, success is a lifetime journey, I think.
Good evening, my respected teachers and my fellow friends. Thanks for giving me this golden opportunity. I am a student of IFA and I will be pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering. So we are all here and I am also here for a group discussion about early success and late success.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Taposhi Goldar and I'm a school teacher and I'm a EFA student also. And here today we will discuss early success versus late success.
Hello, I'm Kush Dabriwal. I'll be pursuing undergraduate of energy engineering at IIT. I'm a student of EFA.
Good evening, everybody. I am Supriya Raj. I am pursuing PhD in computer science, and I'm a student of IFA. And today we are discussing about early success and late success.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm Sanroy. I have pursued BVA. Now I am a EFS student and we will be discussing today early success versus late success.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Priyara. I'm pursuing a aviation course and also AFA.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Snehasri Mujumdar. I have completed my graduation recently and I am pursuing aviation course in IFA. So today it is our group discussion is going to be happen. So yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sujita Janna. I am pursuing aviation courses and I am also student of IFA. Thank you.
Starting the conversation among the group of early success or late success, I would start with the point of experience and maturity. I think when one gets an early success, the fame that one gets is very strong and it can result in the stop of personal growth. Whereas in late success, when you don't get fame so quickly, then you learn to tackle things and are a better decision making in a way. Followed by finances. Early success gives you quick money and managing quick money is a tough thing, and late success is brought by good decision making and will give you money slowly and you learn to manage money. That's a very good thing about late success. Late success also promotes your self growth, because as you progress in your life, you will be learning new things and be exploring various things. So your personal growth is better if you are very humble and down to earth. I would also mention the learning curve. If one gets too much engaged in early success, one can stop learning after achieving some amount of success. Whereas if one has taken time to get his success, then the learning is never ending. Sort of, if one is ground to earth, right?
Okay, so continuing conversation, that success is that feeling that everyone on this earth wants it at a certain period of their lives. So someone gets it late, someone gets it early. Having a lot of money, lot of fame, lot of respect, lot of power, that doesn't mean you are successful. If we start to learn that we are happy to be satisfied with our lives, then we can say we are successful. Doesn't matter we have a lot of money and we still we are sleeping in our bed with regrets and anxiety, so we are not successful. So mental peace and our physical health also matters a lot for as a human being. You all know that health is wealth, so keeping our mental and physical health will be most successful part of a human. And if we start regretting and keep anxious at a late age when we are about to die, so that means we were not successful throughout our lives. So I will say that in our society they used to say, pass your 12th exam, pass your this exam, you will get better, you will be successful, pass your colleges, you will get a job and you will be successful, your life will be get better, uh, just marry and have kids, your life will get better. And like this way, just life just popped away from our hands. We just lost the things we wanted to, we kill our desires. So at the end of our lives, if we just think that I lost this, I lost this, I have done this wrong, so we are not successful in that. Being successful is, we realize it very late that we were successful in that time. So if you are dying with a smile, I will say die with a smile means that you are successful throughout your life.
I think talking about the perception that we get, if a person achieves early success, then he gets a lot of the peer pressure. Like, one is performing good, then one should be performing good in the future. That puts a lot of pressure on him, and this can lead to later problems and self-doubt too, right? If whereas in late success, this won't occur, as one is intrinsically motivated, and that's a thing that one always has intrinsic motivation.
Yeah, success has different meaning in everyone's point of view. I think successful is not that means we earn a lot of money. It is not just a successful life, I think, because being successful is every relationship needs a success. Yes, but I believe in a late success also, because I am the example of get late success. So I have nothing regret about that I am late in my occupation. So yes, it is depends on everyone, I think.
I am totally agree with you. Actually, I am also a late successor, and currently I am pursuing PhD, and it's forming like 5 to 7 years to happening a PhD course. So it's take late sessions and all. So I am totally agree with you. And talking about the early success is like early success can very faster, like we completed our course and get a job and in any good reputed company. But after when we talking about late success, we gaining lot of struggles in our life to achieve this type of experience in our life. So early success also make financial independent, and late success it's take time to achieve all this independency. And
I strongly believe that early success is more valuable, and it is kind of achievement in life if it shows that a person worked hard and stayed focused. Like that also includes sleepless nights and various things a person used to work. Of course, each and every success is valuable, that can be early or late, but when a person get early success, they have the time in the future to be better and to help others by their own experience of success. So and also I think that age doesn't define ability. So I believe that yes, we all should appreciate early success and aim for it. Thank you.
I believe in late success. Late success give me a confidence and maturity, and also we learn about many things in the late success.
So early success versus late success. People rightly says that early success builds ego and slow success builds character, right? I think I would say the slow success. Slow success is something you get to know the all nuances you did and what it takes. You will know. You want to be wrong, then right. You don't want to be right, then wrong. Then you will lose everything. Right, wrong, then right. It's okay. It's fine. So the main consequences of being successful, it's totally depends upon you. I think I feel for someone successful means a disease free body. For someone it's money. For someone, I would say, for me, like if I want to be successful, the disease free body, right? So the people my friend towards me, he seems me like I am not successful in terms of he is seeing me and I don't have enough money, but I am successful in my own terms and condition because I get rid of my all health issues. So at the end of the day, the essence of success is being you are happy what you are doing, and you have got a happy family. You love whatever you have. That's it, I feel.
So my point is late success versus early success. So success is, I think someone thinks success is journey. Someone think success is a achieve their goals. So for me, I think success is achieving my goals. So early success can build our confidence to financially stable, and many things are achieved. And late success can when your success is late, then you missed many opportunities also, and potential for regrets also. And also one thing is good, that is your pressure are reduced, because you learning, so your pressure are reduced that time. So that's it.
Being successful is not so easy, but it is more tough that keep it up. The success, we should maintain our success, and we should be polite with our successful life. It is more important than getting success. I got my success late, but yes, I want to give thank you to ma'am and EFA also, because I want to share that I got a new job yesterday. And that is an English medium school, and they don't take CV of an Bengali medium student. But being here, I got the confidence to give the demo classes also, and I got the chance.
So I think this is a cycle. In terms of study, if you want to now you are in 10th standard, you want to become successful in terms of getting a good marks in 10th board. So you got now you get into class 11, and you want to become successful. You want to get a good marks in class 12 again. Then you got it, and you got admitted. You want to get a good college. So it will go on and on. So it's a cycle, I think.
I think this rat race thing exists, but then you have to make your own line. You have to choose your own thing, the things that work for you. you can't follow what society expects from you all the time. This early success can create a perception of you being very smart, and is you doing something small, you learning something that most people consider easy, that can result you in self-doubt, but you have to have that confidence back then that you have done something and you will do something in the future. Talking more about social perception, I think late bloomers can always have that self-confidence that they can do the thing and will do the thing, although this thing is not always present in the early bloomers, because they might get lucky and get something quickly and stop growing at some point.
So I will say that early success might be a scam, because it can show you heavens, like you got lot of money at a very early age, you got lot of fame, but suddenly you just get bankrupted, so you just fell down on the ground, and if you don't keep fighting, then you will be unsuccessful. So success always get at the very late age, because they have no more life left, so they get it the right way, that we are successful. They can say that we are successful, but getting very early success, they can be bankrupted, they can lose their fame, they can lose their health, they can lose their mental health, they can face relationship and family issues. So early success doesn't define, it is a scam. But great things take time. It takes time to grow. So gradual success is much better than early success.
I think the example of this could be Justin Bieber. He got success at a very young age, but then he, with all the fame he received, he was not able to control it, and faced a lot of problems in his relationships, and was a little unknown to the relationship thing. A good example of this could be Mr. Beast. He is a very famous YouTuber. He got his success in a span of around 8 to 10 years. He held his he is with the same people who he was when he was not successful. He kept his friends along the way. His progress was gradual along the years. So his friends were with him, his people were with him. I think that's a good point that we can add to the late success.
I want to add one point, like early success. In early success, emotional thing and maturity thing is very less. In the age of early success, maturity is very low, and psychological ability is very low. So this is I think cons from my point of view.
As I said that I respect both success, early and late, but I have seen many people in my family members, they got government job in their first attempt. So I think like by seeing them, I got some gut, I can say, to like when the people try their best, so they can get a secure job that will never goes away from their hand. I could say that if a person need to be independent, if a person have the the thinking to be successful in a young age, so maybe in that time they can do it. And it also have, like, if someone have the surroundings of successful people, they must get their success early, because they are in the same surroundings that everyone has. So yeah, in my opinion, early success is more valuable, and it is an achievement if people have it.
Can I say something about early success? So there is a book, guys, already, The Rule of 10,000 Hours. I forgot the author's name, but there is one guy called Naval Ravikant. He says that this is not applicable, the rule of 10,000 hours. What is necessary is to doing 10,000 mistakes. So how you can do 10,000 mistakes in a very short span of time in terms of getting successful at a very early age. So learning from other people's mistake, how you can do it through podcasts, through books, how people did what they did wrong and jot it down and then avoiding those, then you can go to lightning space.
Being successful is I think a long term process. It is not just a moment and I got the success. It's a long term process, and we should keep going, and at last we can think that yes, we are success or not in our early, yes, successful or not.
I will add something as a science student. So we all know motion under gravity. The thing which goes very fast comes down very fast. So if someone gets early success and like he got wings or he or she got wings and started flying, he can be shot or something happens that he can fall down. So keep fighting. If you're getting early success and you can't keep fighting, you can't keep with that, so you will lose it all. So I would say that success is like stairs. We shouldn't skip one step. We should go in life with the flow that step by step we grew up. So I will say that it should be keep taking a flight. That trajectory is taking a flight, like we are stepping up, not just we got something that we got our wings and just fell down.
So success is a lifetime journey, I think.
Very good. Very nice. Fantastic.